Hello,
Hello everybody.
everyone,
How are
everybody.
you?
Yeah, he's.
I'm visiting. Just
We're just hiking here in the Punong
just a
with him.
stranger,
Yeah.
you know, adventure seeker.
Yes. We enjoy so much
Very.
with a sunny day.
Yes.
Okay, then we're gonna going to Claveria right now.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Okay. See you later in Claveria. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Now inside the Kotse,
The fun.
we are very busy planning. We're gonna go. Then we have planning already to go in Claveria, Cebole to see something there. The views there, the beautiful views, scenery.
Yeah, beautiful views. Maybe
Yeah, and
do
then
some shopping.
shopping. It's something. There are a lot of delicious food.
Oh, definitely. We're gonna try some delicious food.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Go.
We're here. Illuminada Garden Resort.
Hello, everybody. The first stop in our adventure. Let's see where the road takes us after.
And we'll enjoy here, have some fun
Every moment.
every moment. And the so quiet and peaceful here. Nice inside. Yeah, look at the inside there later.
Yes, lots of flowers. Lots of beautiful.
Yeah, a lot of beautiful. Hi, good afternoon. Where we have security guard.
We have 5 security guard over
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Okay, security, come here. Come here now.
Kanay, buta na sin liog guro. Buta na ako sa side. Food or drinks allowed. Illuminada Garden Resort. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Ikot sa liog.
Actually, okay. For you and for me. Here na lang.
Ano, district pa sa gusto mo?
Wow. This is it. Come inside.
I'm inside.
Yeah. Mount Balatukan Cafe. Balatukan na pala siya. Yun ang Mount Balatukan Cafe. It's good, no more rain.
Yes, very good. Just
Yeah.
at the right time.
Yeah. Okay, later maybe. Wow.
They even got a maze here.
Yeah.
You wanna go
Maze
inside?
Garden. Yeah.
See if we can find our way out?
Yeah, thank you.
No, of
First
course.
time I'm come here inside. Yeah, first time for me. Yeah, there's a maze garden.
Maybe go inside and get lost?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
We
really?
go there inside?
Yeah, we can
So
walk
we go
inside.
inside, we get lost here. We get lost here. Oh my God, the rain. No, 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 no. Don't come, rain. Don't come. This one. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. We get lost here.
I think we're already lost.
What's coming with us? Hi, the kids. Okay. It's surrounded.
Find the way out.
Round, yeah. Hello. And then, what the last? Did you
That's it.
Did you end there? Huh?
Found my way out eventually.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we post this one. Hi. With him.
Hello, everybody.
Get some memories. Good memories. The children is running. Maybe we go back there.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Let. Okay. How we are? No, we get
Yeah.
lost.
We're lost. Lost in the sauce.
Yeah.
But it's
We
okay.
lost
As long
already.
as we got each other.
We lost. Yeah, we get lost now. We get lost now. Oh. Where we are. Okay.
I think we're almost out.
Yeah, almost
Maybe.
out. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, this
Made
is
it.
it. Yeah. Almost we get lost. Okay, there is their coffee. Okay. We're not lost anymore.
No, we're not. We're in the open now.
Okay, there are our
Our
security
bodyguard,
guard,
yeah.
the bodyguard.
The A-team, as I like to
yeah.
call them.
And then what is their name?
What's the
You
name of this
introduce
security
name.
group?
Name? Name, please? Dominic. And you? CJ.
Yeah.
I'm Lian.
Lian, you? With there?
B-boys.
Boy. You wanna to get lost also?
Everybody wants to get lost. Part of
You
the
want to get
experience here.
lost? Yeah. We've been the good experience.
And you know what to say. You gotta get lost at least once in your life.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we go there. Wow, that is a million flowers.
Oh, this place has so many flowers.
Yeah, this one, oh, millions. You have there also that flowers, a kind of flowers.
Not like, well, that's flower garden, but I never been to one until I
Mm,
came here.
okay, later on we take
Picture over there? Okay,
Yeah, for now I just want to take video.
that's fine.
Yeah, just later we take picture together.
Okay.
And they're the bodyguards.
With the bodyguard.
Yeah, we got have some memories, pictures. Yes. No, where are they?
The bodyguard? I'm pretty sure they're still lost somewhere.
They go somewhere.
Might take them a minute or two to find their way out.
Yes. Then we go there. There. There are lots of flowers, no? Millions. Yeah. Nice.
This place has
Yeah. Then the waiting shed.
then the heart-shaped
Yeah.
entrance.
The
Pretty.
heart-shaped entrance. Good. And then the peacock.
peacock, the
Yeah, the
odd-looking peacock.
peacock. There, the peacock. They say the peacock.
Peacock.
Yeah.
The feathers are hearts as well.
Yeah, the heart shape entrance there. This is the most attraction their area.
This
Peacock. Yeah, their attractions.
Very nice place.
Yeah. So nice. What else there? Some views. Did you been here before, right?
Yeah, I've been
They
here.
have their swimming pool
Swimming pool?
here.
I don't know They have one. I don't think it's open though.
Ah, okay. Hi, ma'am. Yeah, the peacock.
The famous peacock.
Ah, they
Big
have the
feather.
playground.
Yeah, they got the playground.
Yes.
Then in the back, it's more
Ah,
flowers.
they
And
have their ano, the if you want to stay at night.
oh yeah,
Yeah, they have.
tiny house.
Yeah, some like that.
They like restaurants.
Mm,
Right. Uh, the restaurant right beside.
yes.
And like get some breakfast in bed.
Yeah, they have. I think they have the swimming pool over there. Did you go there?
I think it's on the side over this fence, coconut or bamboo fence.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's good here. We have a children with us.
Oh yeah,
They
they
can
can
play.
swing.
Yeah.
Hopefully when it's not wet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this one also ride a horse. Wow. They have a shower room.
So, yeah,
Oh yeah, shower
bathrooms.
room areas, bathroom.
I think the pool's inside there.
Yeah, yeah, the pools. They come. We see the pools.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. No, next time we come here
Yeah.
with my children.
We go on a
Next
camping
year.
trip. Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Next year.
Next year. One of
Yeah,
our many.
yeah, nice. Right? Did you see that before? No.
Mm,
No?
they were working on it or they were fixing
Yeah,
it.
I will take your picture.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. So, look at behind us, the
No.
swimming pool, and there's already incoming.
We're already
We're
wet and
getting
we're still
away.
going swimming.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Have a nice swimming pool.
Nice and cold.
Yeah, nice and cold with a rain. Yeah,
So you don't have to worry about getting wet if you don't get inside.
yes. No worries. The important is we have some memories, a good memories, have fun here at the Iluminada.
Some bonding.
Then we can ride a horse there. And what is that
Tiny
there?
pool. Or
What's there? See there. Sana diha. Hi, say hi to everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome vlog. There is. Ah,
I think it's not full yet.
yeah. Wait. Which one? Yeah, over there. But look at them. Oh. Enjoy also
yeah.
the
Like
bodyguard.
little kids again.
5 bodyguards. They're enjoying so much. And where is my daughter? Yeah. Maybe
somewhere.
there some. Maybe over there.
Maybe.
Ah yes, right
Oh.
there. Oh.
Oh yeah, I see them now.
Yeah. What is this? Wait.
Fountain.
Wish. You can
Uh-huh.
make a wish.
I got
Yeah,
coins.
true. Yeah, coins. Do you have coins? You can
Yeah, plenty of
throw
coins.
and then make a wish.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's your wish?
I wish for a happy life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy life
Mm-hmm.
with me.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe that's our wishes.
That's our wish.
Yeah, will come through. Hello. Nagsapon na yun ta. Kanan ta ha, kanang iwas-iwas ha. Iwas-iwas sa. Nice swimming pool na to. Dito na mo. Dito na. Ay, what's this? Uy, garbage.
Put it in my pocket.
Yeah. Look at this one. Oh, come. I hope the rain is not coming. Please, rain, stop, please.
Another day rain.
Yeah, come another day.
Need a rain check.
Oh God, we get wet. Oh my God, rain. No rain, not coming yet. Rain.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh no, it's getting.
Yeah, not yet. See, you can. Bell. Yes, have fun. Okay. Rain, please stop. We just have enjoy here. Rain, please don't coming.
At least
Wow.
come in 2 hours.
Yeah. Wow. It's so wonderful.
And all the
Yeah,
plants
it's
and
a small paradise here.
a little piece of heaven.
Yes. What is the word? You say?
Oh, a little piece of heaven.
Yeah. A little piece of heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, so nice.
Very.
Seems like we are in the small paradise. Yeah, piece of heaven.
Will be our own little happy place.
Yeah. We can live here.
I'll start building the house.
Yeah. Maybe. Why not? No, in the future we can have our house. We will buy the property here. This one is the area here is very cold.
Mm.
Seems like you're living in the USA, very cold.
Oh
right?
yes, over there it gets colder.
Always raining here.
Because it's like the mountains, right?
Yeah, seems like yeah, it's a mountain here. Meet my future husband.
Hello everybody.
And your name?
My name is Caesar, also known as Caesar the Great.
Mm. And my name is Elsie.
Elsie.
And
Like-
I'll become Mrs. Elsie
Barba.
Barba.
Yeah.
Mwah. Sweet.
The sweetest,
The sweetest.
even
Later
sweeter.
on, we will have ants, mini ants in our body.
We're gonna have a bear attack us.
The ants attack us for being sweetness.
Okay, I brought me bear a present.
Huh?
I said I brought me insect a present.
Yeah, a good flowers there. We'll take picture. There are
The bodyguard.
the bodyguard. Hi, are you enjoying? Are you enjoying?
I like to call them the 18.
Yeah. Enjoy daw sila. They're enjoying so much. And thanks to you.
Oh no, I don't do much.
I don't.
I'm
Yeah,
just-
thanks to you. There, come. Come here.
Okay.
This one here.
Yeah.
Stay here. We stay here and take picture. Another one here.
Okay.
Here, the millions. We sit in the stone.
Okay.
Yeah, we sit in the stone. Yeah, like that. Another one. Yeah, we're getting wet na. It's raining. We are not afraid the rain.
No, we're not.
Okay. Tara. Tara, let's go there.
Let's go.
Where we gonna eat?
Oh, we can eat at the restaurant here.
In the restaurant?
Yeah.
Did you eat there before?
I did, and they have some good food in
Huh? They have good food
there. Oh
there?
yeah. They got
Okay.
burgers, fries,
Fries,
rice,
rice. And what
adobo.
else? Adobo. Okay.
I think they have anything, no?
Okay. We will go there, the cafe or this one? This one?
Oh, the big one,
The big one?
Yes.
That is their restaurant?
the fancy one.
Okay. It's up to you.
no,
You're
we'll go
my
there.
boss.
I'm your boss. Oh wow.
You're my boss.
Okay.
Because you're the one to pay everything. You're my boss.
No problem. I guess you'll be my caretaker.
Yeah. Okay. Are you enjoying?
No, I'm enjoying a lot.
Yeah. So we're making already the
Memories?
some memories.
Yeah, memories, bonding,
Yeah, bonding. What else?
sightseeing,
Huh?
sightseeing,
Sightseeing. Yes.
enjoying all the incredible views.
Yeah, incredible views. Right. That's right. We sleep there?
See, okay, yeah, we'll sleep there.
No,
No?
because I have work later.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, next year.
Okay, next
Yeah,
year,
we'll be together next year.
so we're gonna go on an adventure of a
Yeah.
lifetime.
The new adventure, different adventure, right? So we
And-
go there around the Sibulig. They have too much resort here,
Oh,
but we
okay.
cannot go because of
What?
lack of time, short of
Mm,
time. We
Maybe,
will work later. So
we s-
maybe next time.
yeah, next time. Next time I come, since you don't work Sunday, we can go Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow you will.
Oh no, no. Next time I come.
Yeah, next
Yeah.
time you come. Yes. So wait, I think it's so behind us. Display already. We are here now in the Illuminada. Yeah.
Very
Let's
romantic
go there.
place.
Yeah, romantic place. This is the romantic place. Look at their heart-shaped entrance. Meaningful heart. So it means
Means love.
it means love. In bonding together with your loved ones. Like
Never do.
us.
Yeah.
Like us.
Never do
Yeah.
no bonding.
Yes, and we love each other
Very much.
Very much. Say, what's your words?
My words?
Yeah, my words. You're kissing me.
Oh, my words are.
Words. Words for me.
Oh,
Give me
I
a
love
word.
you.
Yes, the three
love
words.
you much. I
Yeah.
love you so much.
Yeah, you
Okay.
love me so much.
Yes, I
Yeah.
do.
You do?
Yes.
I love you too. That's no lies.
No lie.
Okay, very good. Because I will upload this one video.
Oh,
This is somebody, our viewers, or a witness of our love.
yes, I would love that.
You love that?
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, we're getting wet now.
Oh yeah, now we're getting very wet.
It's raining now. We're going to go inside the cafe.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's getting
Yeah.
wet now. Getting wet now. Asa man gusto niya mga unta dito pero marag na kung may lain nga lugar. What you can say, the rain.
I can say that the rain will not stop us from sightseeing, bonding, and making memories. If we gotta do it while we're wet, we will do it while we're wet.
Yes, that's right. True. And please, rain.
Go
Can you,
away.
yeah, can you go away, please? Because we will go the other destination and we have make some memories there.
Yes.
Please just
You-
stop and come back tomorrow, maybe,
Or
or
when
the
I-
next day.
Or when I need a car wash. You can rain when I need a car wash.
Yeah. Oh, you're so funny.
I'm not that funny.
You're not funny.
I'm just a comedian.
Okay, comedian. Okay. So another next destination. Thank you, Iluminada. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, thank you, Iluminada.
Everybody, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We open, say open.
Oh. Goods ka. Atay na goods ka. Thank you.
Needing your mark.
Are you okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little wet.
Just a little wet
Yes.
because it's raining outside. We've been in the Iluminada and we're getting wet in the Iluminada. But we're still enjoying the moments there at Iluminada.
Enjoy all the little moments.
Yes.
But actually, it's the little things that matter.
Yes. It's okay. It's okay that we're getting wet. The important is we're together. Yeah.
Dili nagwan mo dilian.
Look at them. It's raining today. The fog surrounding the area. It's foggy, foggy. Keep safe, everyone. So, keep safe, everyone.
Oh, we are at Hiraya now.
Safe. Watch both sides of the road before you cross.
Yeah. Keep safe, everyone.
Pwede man ta makasulod
Outside
Frida.
is dark because of the fogs. It's foggy. Yeah, we're here. We are now here. So here now, the Hiraya. But it's raining outside. How can we get outside? No umbrella.
Without getting wet.
Mga tropa.
Bodyguard eh.
Bodyguard. Enjoy your foods.
You earned it.
Yeah, we are here
Take it
at
down.
where we are.
Tuna Republic.
Tuna Republic. Yeah, nice place. Okay. Tuna Republic. Let's eat, everyone.
Yes.
Enjoy the foods. Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Today is November 30, 2025. Good evening, friendship. Gaina ba? Around 6:07 p.m. Ayan o kana friendship paak na sa iro na kuanan gyud ko sa ngipon sa iro ba pero gamay ra man pud wa kayo ni dulot sa unod. Pero siguro na gamay lang gyud, gamay lang siya nga paak. Dili ba ka ni siya delikado? Ayan o friendship, dili ba ka na delikado na hadlok ba ko.